Hi, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix missing game files, error Fall Guys. So first, you just have to open your Epic Launcher, and this time you have to make sure that you have connected your Epic Launcher to your Steam account. To do that, go to the right corner, top right corner, and then click your profile and look for accounts. And then here, you just have to scroll down, look for apps and accounts, and click this connect under Steam. And all you have to do is to provide the information, so link account, and then kind of type your Steam account here. Then you will see that if you have connected your account successfully, you will see the remove button there. Next is you have to go to MS configuration, okay, and then click open. Now this time what you're going to do is simply look for services, tap this one, and then look for Epic Launcher and make sure that Epic Launcher is not disabled. If it's so, all you have to do is to tap that and then click enable. Okay? And then once done, click apply and then click OK. So you have to exit this one and proceed to the next step. Now, if the error still exists, what you're going to do is to simply verify the game or look for the missing file. For Epic Launcher, click Fall Guys, go to the three dots, go to Manage, and click Verify. And wait as it is processing. For Steam, what you're going to do is just simply open the game. Let's just say this one is the game because I don't have that Fall Guy. Okay, so you just have to click go to properties and then go to installed files, then go to verify integrity of game files. Stop this one and wait as it is processing. And once done, you can now exit this. Okay, this is for Steam if you have Fall Guys game here. Now, if the problems still do exist, you just have to simply uninstall the program, go to add or remove program, look for Epic Launcher, and then what you're going to do here is to simply uninstall. Okay, so again, go to add or remove programs, go to apps, and then look for Epic Launcher, and then click on install. Next is we have to clear web cache. Go to run, tap OK with this percent local data percent, and then go to app data, go to local, look for Epic Launcher, Epic Games, tap this one here, and then look for saved. Okay, and then kind of delete this web cache here. Tap this delete icon. For Steam, you just have to open Steam and then go to settings, okay? And then look for downloads. And then under downloads, we have there clear cache. What you're going to do is just simply tap that one, okay? And then the next thing to do here is to please do visit the site where you need to download this two link that I'm going to show you. Okay, scroll down and make sure that you download this both here. Okay, and then after that, you can now exit this and proceed to the very last method. Go to Epic Launcher, go to Fall Guys, right click, this are three dots, and then this time you just have to simply go to the folder, okay? Look for Run Fall Guys, right click, go to Properties, and then go to Compatibility and make sure that you run this program with the same device, I mean Windows, same device, and then click Run as an administrator, click Apply, and then OK. Okay, for Steam account, what you're going to do is to look for Steam, okay, open file location, then right click, look for properties, look for compatibility, and make sure that you are also or you run this program with the same Windows and then run as administrator, click apply, and then click OK. And that's it.
So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.